If you're looking for the best buy in a four-door sedan that gets excellent gas mileage, look no farther than this 2022 Nissan Altima SV. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. Beautiful car, local trade-in. Around back, rear park assist sensors, chrome bumper protector, backup camera, SV emblem on the trunk. 17-inch alloy wheels with Continental tires. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to dual rear charging ports in the back of the center console. It's super black with charcoal interior. Tinted windows, chrome door handles, color keyed mirror caps, LED daytime running lights, projector beam LED headlights, forward collision sensor in the middle of the grille. It's equipped with passive keyless entry, bucket seats, power seat, embroidered floor mats, illuminated kick plates, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot monitor that also comes with rear cross traffic alert, power trunk release, automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, in the wheel, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and cruise. Only 40,000 well cared for miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, heating and air controls, more USB ports, an auxiliary audio jack, a 12-volt outlet, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including trunk release and remote start, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2022 Nissan Altima SV, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.